In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Google Docs offline extension, enabling you to work seamlessly without an internet connection. This is a fantastic feature, especially if you find yourself in situations where Wi-Fi is unreliable or non-existent. Let's get started and ensure that you have uninterrupted access to your important documents, spreadsheets, and presentations no matter where you are. First, we'll begin by opening up your Chrome browser. It's essential that you're using Chrome as this extension is designed to work specifically with it, offering the best functionality and compatibility. Once you've got Chrome open, head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is the hub for all extensions and add-ons that can enhance your browsing experience in Chrome, providing tools and features that streamline various tasks. In the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, type in Google Docs Offline. You should see it pop up in the search results. Simply click on it and you'll be taken to the page where you can add the extension to your Chrome browser. You'll notice a button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on this button, then confirm your choice by selecting Add Extension. This action integrates the offline functionality into your browser, allowing you to access your documents even when there's no internet connection. Now that the extension is installed, we need to enable offline mode in Google Drive. This is a crucial step as it ensures that your recent files are accessible offline. Begin by navigating to Google Drive. Once there, look to the upper right corner for the gear icon, which represents Settings. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. A new window will pop up and under the General tab, you'll see an option labeled Offline. Make sure to check this box. What this does is allow you to create, open, and edit your Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on your device while offline. It's a simple but powerful step that offers a lot of convenience. Next, it's time to mark specific files for offline use. This step ensures that certain files you need are readily available when you're not connected to the internet. In Google Drive, find the file you want to access offline, then right-click it. From the context menu, toggle on Available Offline. You'll see a small checkmark icon appear next to it, indicating it's ready for offline use. Finally, accessing Google Docs offline is straightforward. When you're without internet access, just open Google Chrome and navigate to docs.google.com. You'll find your offline files available for you to work on, and the best part, any edits you make will sync automatically once you're back online, ensuring your work is up to date and saving you the hassle of manual uploads. There you have it, a simple and efficient way to maintain productivity no matter your connectivity situation. Feel free to follow these steps and enjoy the convenience of working offline with Google Docs.